built in the 17th century to create a space for Jewish settlers. At the time, it was called Fluyenberg for Flooding Island. Over time, the name morphed into Fluyenberg for Flea Island, and the bustling market held here was called the Flea Market.
For centuries, Jewish traders sold their wares here. The market continues to operate and is now known as the largest flea market in the Netherlands.
Yellow, brown, and white.
We're lucky it's not raining. So good. Skipping calls. Good gummies. No candy. I don't like the eggs.
You get fucking every 2 weeks.
What's that breakfast?
It was every 2 weeks.
When we check out, it's like a little snack we'll check out. Going around? I thought the party was fire though.
Yeah?
Yeah. Like, I was not expecting that.
Yeah.
I'll show you videos. That was a rave. We went to bars, then we went to a rave. My favorite is raving, but also we went to a bar. This guy was really good. I know so much.
I don't even enjoy it if you're real high.
The more the piles are high, the
I can do it sober. I can do it sober.
You can.
Yeah, I can.
I go to Friday.
So look, if you don't enjoy it sober, I see that for everything. Though. I see that for everything. If you can't avoid it, no, I don't. Because what? You need something to make you have fun. Like, then you're not really having fun. No, I'll say the next day you'll be back like.
Tomorrow I thoroughly enjoyed.
Tomorrow was really awesome.
Every time.
This guy was really good. Yeah, they put Christmas decorations all over the bar. Good country road. I know. We were like, this kid's here. She's at 9.3. This guy was.
I think it's stuck. Yeah.
I think I like that too. Here it's very like packed. Yeah. And everyone is just like kind of aggressive and like suspicious. Yeah. I don't know. I was expecting